Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about chapter The Four Dolls. This chapter is about a king and his ministers. What happens one day, a wise man from foreign country comes in the courtyard and he asks the wise king that I will show you three dolls and I want your ministers to understand and to convey the message these dolls give. So this actually story is about people, types of people. Some people understand something and do not let it out. On the other hand, some other people, when they listen to something, they tell it to other people. And sometimes there are other people we meet who, when they listen to something, they decide when not to listen, when they should tell it to other people, and when they should not tell it to other people. So how we understand about these three people? Let's read this chapter. I'm reading the chapter lines and will make you understand the word meanings as well. It starts like that. The person from foreign country, he comes in the courtyard of the king and he starts by saying that, Your Majesty, I have three dolls with me. I would like your ministers to tell me what message these dolls convey. So Majesty is the Lord here. Convey means impart, give, etc. The king asks all his ministers to look at the dolls and find what message each doll conveys. Now the king orders his all ministers to tell the message these dolls convey. So this has to be done within 3 days. Now after 3 days, the ministers assemble. Assemble means get together. The sage is also there. Sage is the wise person. But only Jagannath is ready with the answer. Jagannath is already the minister in the courtyard of the king. These three dolls describe different kinds of people. You see, each doll has a hole in its ears. This is up to first page in the book of the story. Now moving on to the second page. Jagannath hands the king a piece of string. String means the thread, any thread. And he asks to put this string into each doll's ear. Now, intrigued. This word is written intrigued. You can see the second page. Intrigued means to be very curious, to be very interested. The king puts the string into the first doll's ear and it comes out of the other ear. This is the first type of person. Whatever you tell him, her, comes out of the other ear. He, she does not retain anything. Retain means to keep something reserved. But here, from this first doll, the thing we learn is there are people who, when they listen to something, they actually let it out, means they have nothing in their mind. They does not retain anything. Moving on. The king now puts the string into the ear of the second doll. The string comes out of the mouth. This is the second type of person. Whatever you tell him, her, he, she tells everybody. Now, this is second type of people. Whatever is being told, whatever they listen, whatever they understand, they tell it to other people. This is second type of people. Now, the king picks up the third doll and repeats the process. The string does not reappear. Reappear means to be visible from anywhere. Now, when the string was inserted into the ear, it doesn't come out of the mouth nor from the other ear. It doesn't come out at all. This is the third type of person. Means whatever you tell him, her, it is locked up. Locked up means like something is locked in a room. Within him or her, it never comes out. Means whatever is given to such person, it is useless, means it doesn't, that person doesn't decide, can't decide actually, means he doesn't tell it to other and he doesn't tell it out, it is useless. So this is third type of people. Now Jagannath then takes out a fourth doll. This is a doll I made myself, he says. Your Majesty, put the string into the ear of this doll. Now the king puts the string into the fourth doll's ear. Now this is fourth doll made by Jagannath. When the king puts the string into the ear of the fourth doll, the string comes out of the other ear. Now the string comes out of the other ear. Now Jagannath says, do it again. The king puts the string into the ear once again and it comes out from the mouth. Jagannath asks the king to repeat the process. This time king, third time, puts the string into the ear. Now it neither comes out of mouth nor from ear. This is the best type of person. To be a good person, one must know when not to listen, when to speak, when to remain silent. The king is very pleased, pleased means to be happy, with Jagannath and appoints him as his prime minister. Here this chapter ends the four dolls. Now what is the thing we learn here? That is, there are people among us, when they listen to something, they let it out. There are people, when they listen to something, they tell it to other people. Then there are people, when they listen to something, they do not do anything. They do not actually let it out and they do not tell it to other people, means they don't know what to do, so they remain silent. But fourth doll, which was made by Jagannath, it teaches us, when we listen to something, we must decide ourselves when we should tell it to other and when we should not tell it to other. On the other hand, we should also decide when we should listen to the things and when we should not. I hope you have understood it. This is the reading part of the four dolls chapter. We will cover question answers in the next video. If you did not understand it, you can watch this video again. Thank you. Have a great day.